Hi Danny, what's up? How's it going?
Not so good. We had a loss today, so it's a bit tough on the boys. Our first one after a couple of good wins, but get a chance to rectify it in a few days.
Well, I think it was a very close one, right? This is 3 deliveries to the woods, almost there.
Yeah, I mean, we probably just didn't quite get enough runs, and then Gambier and Saywag have batted so well for us in the first 2 games. Unfortunately, we didn't get any runs, and we scraped through 160, and it just wasn't enough.
Yeah, but what do you think? We had a very good start when we were bowling. We got the first 2 wickets at a very early stage, but still we could not carry on the momentum. So what do you think went wrong?
Well, I mean, we've got 2 great fast bowlers, and Asif and Glenn McGrath, so it's always hard backing those 2 up when they did such a fantastic job. And Simon Kadich played really well, and that's the nature of 2020. One guy can take the game away from you, so unfortunately it was their day today.
What different could you have tried in case you would have been there today in the playing 11? Any ideas you have?
I'm not sure. I mean, I've got a reasonable 2020 record, and hopefully I would have been able to make a difference, but didn't get a chance today, and hopefully in the next game.
And anything about the last 2 matches which you guys won? The first one and the second one, anything about that?
Say again?
Anything about the last 2 matches which you guys won?
Oh, I mean, there's been so much hype about the IPL, and it's nice to be in a team that won its first 2 games and won them really well. I mean, we won both games by 9 wickets, and we didn't have to chase much, so we're still confident from those wins, and if we win the next one, that's 3 out of 4 and puts us top of the table.
I think it's good because, it's our way. Why? Because you still have 11 more matches to go, and I think it's a good eye-opener.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes when you're winning all the time, sometimes you forget about your mistakes, and with this loss, hopefully we can rectify all those things we did badly, and come Bangalore, we're ready to go and ready to win again.
How's the team doing now? Are they still together? Are they still one unit?
I mean, that's been the best thing I think about the trip so far, is the fact that we've all got to know each other. There's a lot of guys here that I never knew before. A lot of guys played a lot of cricket against but didn't really know, and playing in the team, wanting to win for Delhi has been great.
Okay, and I in fact read an article of yours just about an hour back in the newspaper, in which you mentioned that you are actually feeling like as if you were a Delhiite. It's just been about 15 days you joined the team, and you already feel like a Delhiite. That's what the involvement level is as far as you are concerned. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I think it's the camaraderie in the team, and also just the way the people of Delhi have responded to us. And obviously winning our first 2 games made a huge difference, and the fact that the owners and everyone at the stadium, they all seem to embrace us, and the Delhi team is one that we think can go all the way, and so the Delhi people have embraced us.
And I don't know if you know this, the TRP ratings of IPL start from 5.5 and they've already reached around 8.5, which is actually a record.
Oh, that's fantastic. So I know everyone's enjoying it.
You must have seen all the stadiums jam-packed. What do you have to say about the response of this kind of a thing?
Well, I think people respond to first and foremost probably the marketing of it and all the great players, but secondly they want to see some good cricket, and there's been some great games, 220 runs, Brendan McCullum's 100, Mike Hussey's 100. I think all those sorts of things, great cricket's being played, hard cricket's being played, and that's what people want to see, and that produces those ratings.
And the next match on the 30th of May at the Kotla is supposed to be your last match of the IPL series this year. So how much would you miss all these days you spent with the Delhi Devils and the IPL?
Oh, I mean, I'm going to miss it. I mean, I'm looking forward to going and playing for New Zealand. We've got a big tour of England, but these last 3 weeks I've had here has been some of the best cricket times I've had. So I will miss it, but I'll just look forward to next year now.
Next year, do we see you back again once again?
Absolutely. Next 2 years I'm here.
Playing for Daredevils once again, some other team?
No, Daredevils.
Daredevils. Okay, thanks a lot. You've been an amazing support for us.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.